Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to archive an order on Amazon. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, to go ahead and archive an order on Amazon, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, go to Amazon and log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and you're going to see an option for returns and orders. Give that a click and you'll be taken to your orders page. As I didn't order anything from Amazon, that's why my orders are not showing, but I will show you the process how you can archive your orders if you ordered something. So what you're going to do to archive an order is come to the order that we want to archive. As an example, let's go ahead and choose this projector. Now underneath the order, you're going to see the link to Archive Order. All you need to do is simply give that a click, and then a window is going to come up like this. All you need to do is go ahead and click the Archive Order button. What that's going to do is archive this order. So it's going to refresh the page, and you will see this order is now no longer showing. And that's it. So that's basically how you can archive an order on Amazon. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.